Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be talking about a brand called E.L.F. E.L.F. that stands for eyes, lips and face. So it's an American brand and I've heard a lot about it. So without further ado, let's get started. Talk about today, the palette is a bite-size eyeshadow palette. That's cute. That's a mini one. Let's talk about a brand first. The brand is affordable. The brand is cruelty-free and vegan, and it is amazing. I have heard a lot about the brand. The products are great. So let's try out and find out. So the palette says that the formula is creamy, blendable and ultra pigmented. So let's try and see if they are pigmented. Let's open. Let's see this mini palette. Alright, so the palette comes in various shades. They come in about 8 shades. And they have got variety of colors. And the one that I have today is Truffles. So let's try it. Look at that. Look at the palette. So the palette, the Truffle palette is perfect for creating smoky eyes. The palette is very easy to travel. Like it is like a size of a lipstick or a lip gloss, so it's easy to travel and carry it in your bag. It includes browns and blacks and shimmers. They are very nice. And let's see how pigmented and how the formula is. So let me swatch this black. Look at this. Wow. Wow, look at that. Woo! That's amazing. Can you see that? That's amazing. It's very, very, very pigmented. Just so nice. And you won't imagine that this palette retails for just $3, which is about 200 rupees. I am shook, like shook. Let's try another. It's a brown. Look at that. Wow. They are coming so beautifully and actually very, very pigmented, like ultra pigmented. Let's swatch this one. It's a light brown with a mustard hint in it. Look at that. Woo! Amazing. I can't wait to try this shimmer. Let's swatch. Wow. It is dense. It is dense. I hope the camera catches it. Whoa. That's amazing. Whoa, I'm so impressed. I really love this shimmer in it. The palette is great to create smoky eyes. Let's create a smoky eye this side as well with this palette. Let's go. Alright, first let's take this color. Tap. Whoa. That's a lot of product on one go. They are super pigmented. I love the quality. So let's just diffuse the color with a fluffy brush. Let's diffuse. Blending like a dream. It is super buttery, amazing, like very easy to blend. Alright, let's take another color, this brown, and again. Wow, that's super nice and I'm really shook. Alright, let's blend this. Wow, that's a lot of color. And you see that there is no fallout whatsoever. There's no fallout. Alright, now I'm super excited to try this shimmer. Let me take. Wow, I love it. This palette is so worth it. So worth it. Let's apply. Bomb. This is bomb. The shimmer is so dense. It feels butter on my fingers and on my eyes too. It's like a butter. Alright, now let's take another brush and take this black. Dust, because it picks up a lot of color. So always dust, and let's put it here. Alright, and the outer corner of your eyes, and smoke it out. It looks like as if I'm using a very high-end product. The eyeshadows are amazing, and look, you have to blend very nicely. So just smoke it out. Look at that. And let's take some brown and you can also create an everyday look with this palette. It can be your go-to palette. This is how it looks. So let me just put the eyeliner and be right back. Alright, so I'm back. So this is how my eyes look. Let me know in the comment section below if you like it. You can completely skip the liner for smoky eyes. I prefer to put liner, so I did. It's your choice if you want to put it, you don't want to put it. It's all up to you. The palette is worth it. It is just for $3 and the shades are amazing. It's mini, so you can carry it in your bag. And most importantly, the shadows are super pigmented and my eyes look as if I have used a very high-end product. They are no less than that. They are amazing. So I love the brand, I love the product. So do let me know in the comment section below which makeup brand or product you want me to review next. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.